Lately, I've been reminding myself of something very simple, but so easy to forget. No one is perfect. Not me, not you, not anyone. We're all just here doing the very best we can with what we have. I used to be so hard on myself for every mistake, every delay, every moment I didn't show up the way I wanted to. But I'm learning that life isn't about getting everything right. It's about learning, growing, and moving forward with love. God never asked me to be perfect. He asked me to be present, to be faithful, and to keep trying. So now I'm giving myself grace. Grace for the days I feel tired, grace for the moments I fall short, and grace for the times I don't have it all figured out. Because grace is not weakness, it's compassion, it's understanding that I am human and I'm allowed to grow at my own pace. God is not disappointed in me for being imperfect. He's patient, loving, and always guiding me forward. And patience, that's another lesson I'm learning. We want instant results, instant healing, instant clarity, but real growth takes time. Be patient with yourself while you're evolving, just like God is patient with you. Every small step counts. Even on slow days, you're still moving. You're still becoming. When I release perfection and embrace grace, I give myself room to breathe, room to try, room to simply do my best. And the beautiful thing is, when I do what I can, God takes care of the rest. He fills in the gaps. He strengthens the places where I feel weak. He turns my effort into progress. Something else I'm learning in this season is to celebrate small wins, the quiet victories that no one else sees, the days I get out of bed when I don't feel like it, the moments I choose peace over reacting, the times I speak kindness to myself instead of criticism. Those little things, they matter. They add up. They're proof that I'm growing even when growth seems invisible. So if you're watching this and feel overwhelmed, remember this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up, try, and trust the process. Give yourself grace, give yourself patience, celebrate your small wins, and honor your journey because you're doing better than you think.